So, if I've been experiencing vertigo, could I have a brain tumor? Well, that's today's question, and I got it from one of our other viewers. So, if you've got questions, go ahead and write it down below, and I'll do my best to wind up answering in your comments or creating an entire video just for you. Now, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. If this is someone you or your family is interested in or needs help with, go ahead and pass this video on our channel so they can subscribe and get the information that we shared. Now, can a tumor be causing my vertigo? And the answer is yes. Vertigo can be caused by a tumor either in your ear or on your brain. And the reason that that winds up happening is that it can wind up impacting the vestibular or balance centers of your brain. These are areas that are wind up being in your ear. They also are in the base of your neck or the brainstem of your spine, and they wind up controlling so much. How do we know if you do or if you don't? Well, that's where you need to work with someone who's got clinical experience with it to determine what's the right next steps. In many cases, there's a need for an MRI or a CT of the brain to know what's going on in there. But in many cases, there's not. When we can find that this is caused by something else, the MRI or CT may not be in order at this point in time, and you may not have a tumor. In most cases, you don't. But there is a chance that you can. So making sure you're working with a provider who has experience in diagnosing, correcting, detecting, understanding this, and getting you to the right place is of utmost importance. If you think that you may have this or be going through this, go ahead and write down below. We'll do our best to get you to the right places. If you've got more questions, ask them down below, and we'll do our best to answer them. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.